Hello, I'm Professor Braca Kundalić and I'm Professor-in-Chief at the Department of Anatomy for Foreign Students. This is one of the largest departments of the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Niš, and it is quite well organized with all the preparations, dissections and appropriate plastic organs and structures. We have 5 professors here who are in charge for all the theoretical and practical lectures, and all our students were successful and they passed the exam during the end of the year and entered the second year, and some of them chose or select courses and subjects because they have quite fine experience with us. This is the section room where we are teaching with cadavers and organs, and this is the second room where we practice all human organs and cadavers, and the plastic things are in the other room. So the main lectures are from here.